Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on more ratio problems. In this video we will be looking at another type of ratio problem that is very popular. We are given a total amount and we are told that this amount is divided between two or more people in a given ratio. We need to find the amount that each person receives. Let's look at some examples. Number 1. 45 marbles are divided between John and Bill in the ratio 2:7. How many marbles does each person receive? So if we take the two parts here, the 2 and the 7, and we add them up, that gives us 9 parts altogether, and that represents 45 marbles. Therefore, one part represents 5 marbles. That's 45 divided by 9. So that's very important. One part equals 5 marbles. Therefore, John's share is 2 parts, because John is mentioned first, and that's the 2. Bill is mentioned second, and he's the 7. So John's share is 2 parts, so 2 times 5 is 10. Of course, remember, one part was 5 marbles. Bill's share is 7 parts, which will be 35 marbles, because 7 fives are 35. Example 2. A concrete mixture is made by mixing gravel, sand and cement in the ratio 4:3:2. If the end result was 72 kilograms of concrete, how much of each ingredient is used? So if we add those 3 there, we get 9 parts, and that gives us 72 kilograms. Therefore, one part must be 8 kilograms, which is 72 divided by 9. Therefore, the gravel, which is 4 parts, has to be 32 kilograms. The sand, which is 3 parts, is 24 kilograms. And the cement, which is 2 parts, is 16 kilograms. Example 3. The amount of $108 is divided between Sue, Mary, Anne and Faye in the ratio 1:2:3:6. How much money does each person receive? So if we add each of those numbers up, we get 12 parts. And that represents $108. Therefore, one part must be $9. That's 108 divided by 12. Sue receives one part, which is the $9. Mary receives the 2 parts, which is $18. Anne receives 3 parts, which is $27. And Faye receives 6 parts, which is $54. Number 4. The amount of 180 marbles is divided between Sue, Ted, Anne, Faye and Ron in the ratio 1:2:4:5:6. How many marbles does each person receive? If we add those numbers up together, we get that 18 parts represent 180 marbles. Therefore, one part must be 10 marbles. So Sue has 1 part, which is 10 marbles. Ted has 2 parts, 20 marbles. Anne has 4 parts, 40 marbles. Faye has 5 parts, 50 marbles. And Ron has 6 parts, which is 60 marbles. So this video has given us some problems where we are given a particular amount which is shared in a given ratio between 2 or more people, and all we're asked to do is to find out how much does each person receive.